Good size.
You never know if you lose it.
Good size, 85.
Come on, don't say that.
Ang ganda yung ano, yung sit up yan, yung sa kabila ang
Huli natin yan, sir.
huli yan. Sana makatikim ka ng pike.
Gata na yan.
Basta na yan. Let's go. Oh, come on, man. There's no ice, there's no fish in Australia in ice, so that's your time to shine here.
Imagine I travel all the way from Australia to Canada just to catch this pike.
Yeah.
Once in a lifetime experience
Oh
here.
yeah, this is
Just to catch this bad boy, man. It's right there.
holy cow, big one. Again,
That's a bad
look like
boy.
small boy. I hope you can test. Yeah, roll it.
That's a bad boy right there.
Tali mo na, tipa. Ayun, keeper na to.
That's a bad boy right there.
Look like.
Right on. Yeah, keeper size.
Hey.
Oh,
101% keeper.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Oh, the hook is out already, huh?
Yes, hook already.
Good.
Already.
Almost lost him. Ayun, pakita ka muna.
Hope it's gonna be a
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna be keeper for
Then
you.
we're gonna
Okay. So what we
measure
gonna
this
do?
one. It's good size, then we can keep.
Put that in
Naputol yung
our...
tali.
Yeah. So you measure here, Jerry.
Look, look.
Oh, naputol. Buti na dali natin.
Sukat mo, sir. 63 lang yan.
63.
No, this is 70 something.
62.
So from here,
62.
70.
Dang.
Again, 73.
73 again.
Baka yun yung kanina.
Holy cow.
Okay, so,
Kunin natin yung...
ano na ba yan?
Oh. Patayin natin. Kunin natin yung hook. Sayang. Tag $10.
It's too big again, oversized. Okay, so we have to back to the water. Ah! Lucky you again.